So today we are making Vietnamese pickled daikon and carrots, also known as do dua. So do means things, dua means sour, so sour things. If you are familiar with Vietnamese food, you'll see this in so many different things as a garnish. The most popular is in a banh sandwich. First, you'll need to peel both the daikon and the carrots, and then shred or julienne them. It depends on your level of thickness that you like. The thicker it is, the crunchier it'll be. Sometimes I like skinnier versions just because it's nicer as a garnish. It really depends on your use for them. What I like to do is pull the water from the vegetables, and I do that by adding a tablespoon of kosher salt and then putting it in the fridge. While we are waiting for that, we're gonna make the vinegar mix, which is 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, a 1/3 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Bring this to a boil to melt the sugar and then turn off the heat. Put the vinegar mix in the freezer for 1 hour so it's nice and cold. The cold mix will make the veggies extra crunchy. When your vegetables are ready, you'll see that all the water has been pulled out. So then rinse your veggies to remove all the salt and then squeeze all the water out. Then transfer the vegetables into a large bowl. Then once your vinegar mix is nice and cold, pour the vinegar mix over the veggies and thoroughly mix them together. I prefer to use gloves with this only because you want your pickled vegetables not to be contaminated with anything. That way it'll last longer in the fridge. Once you thoroughly mix the vinegar mix and the vegetables together, transfer everything to a pickling jar and let it refrigerate for at least 24 hours before eating. As long as you don't double dip, this should last a good month or so. You can eat it with banh mi, grilled meat. The options are endless.